Alright, so it's been a while since I made a video, and today I got this shift knob, JBR shift knob for the Focus ST, and I'm gonna install this. So right here is the hardware they give you, not too much stuff. Let's see if I can show you guys how. This is the stock one. And then I'm gonna take this off. Okay. So here's the stock one, and here's the one I'm putting in. Way heavier. Alright, I'm gonna take this little piece of rubber out. It didn't come out with it, so put that right there. Alright, then now I'm going to put this thread adapter here. And then I don't have a wrench for this, but hopefully it doesn't move when I'm tightening this. Oh yeah, that's good. Just to where it stops turning, not too tight. Okay, so good. This nut that goes in the shift knob has the most impossible size Allen wrench to find. I looked everywhere. I had to go buy this. So we're about to do it. Okay, so you get your Allen wrench, you put it through this little hex nut thing, and you jam it all the way into this shift knob. So actually, let me twist it in there real quick. Damn it. It's upside down, I think. Oh yeah, that was upside down. Alright, so you put that shit in. I can't even get this in. Oh my god. It won't go in. God, we got old lady right here. Alright, we're in. So you just twist this in. Twist all the way to the bottom. All the way to the bottom. Okay. Now let's put it on. Alright. So I gotta loosen it. It's not straight. It's all the way, but it's not straight, so I'm gonna have to loosen up that. Hold it. Loosen up the that hex nut a little bit just until I can get that pattern straight. So I'm gonna loosen it a little bit. That looks good. That's alright. Oh. Hopefully, just tighten it a little bit. All right. Oh, now we're so close. So close. Okay, so should I tighten it a little bit or loosen it?
No, just a little bit.
Okay. Oh, no. We're almost there.
So that's too much.
Oh, no.
That was too much.
Oh,
You're going the opposite way.
yeah?
Yep. Remember where you turn. Remember how you turn it. Have you seen how you turn it like that?
What's that mean? What are you loosening up?
I don't know what way you're even doing it.
I did loosen it. Okay, this is it. That'll be it. I'm gonna tighten it a little bit. I'm gonna tighten it a little bit more.
It's good.
It's crooked. That's good. All right, we're good. We're good. We're good. All right. It feels freaking good. It's straight. Feels super sturdy, kind of heavy. Let's see how it goes. Bam. Oh, wait. Look down. We going in the reverse. Oh yeah, we're good. Let's see how this goes. Yeah, this shift knob feels really good. Way better. Oh my goodness. It's not even awkward. Alright. Been driving with this thing. Show the thing. Been driving with this thing for about 20 minutes now. Nah, maybe like 10 minutes. And it feels good. It feels way better than the stock shift knob. Like when you shift, kind of like throws way easier since it's so damn heavy. And it looks way better. Way better. Get a better angle at this. It looks good. It looks good in this interior. Look at that. It looks freaking good in here. And that's JBR shift knob for the Focus ST. I recommend it. It's pretty damn tight. Alright guys.